Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make stressless Moin-Moin. We'll be making Moin-Moin out of lentils. So come along with me and let's do this together. For today's recipe, we'll be needing lentils. Lentil belongs to the family of beans. We have so many variations. Some are green. You can get lentil from the stores, the normal stores you go to, or you go to Afro-Caribbean stores or those Asian stores. It's very common here. You can get it. Then we'll be needing corned beef, sardines, boiled egg, oil, some seasoning cubes, crayfish powder. This is optional, but I love it in my Moin-Moin. Salt, 2 red bell pepper, I got them from my freezer, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and this 4 chili pepper. We call it sombo in Nigeria. 1 medium onion. We'll be needing kitchen foil. When the time comes, I will show you why we need it. What we'll be doing now is I will soak this lentil for about anything between 20 to 30 minutes is okay, so that we'll be able to blend it with the peppers. Well soaked, and you have to wash it clean. See, the water is clear, and I'll be blending all this together and I'll come back to show you. Now we want to blend. If you have not watched my video how to make hot and fluffy akara, please go and do so, because there I blended the beans, but I did not add too lot of water like I'm doing now, because this is Moin-Moin. We want it a bit watery than the way we do the akara. And if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of paprika powder to it. It's not going to change the taste, it's just going to add more color to it. Now we'll be blending. This is the consistency we are looking for. Not too watery, not too thick. Now our fish will go in. The 2 cans of sardine, corned beef, salt, then I'll be putting some of this in it. Now for our foil, that is what we'll be using for stressless Moin-Moin. We have 2 methods to make. The first method is this: fold it into 2 equal parts. This egg too, fold it, then you fold it the second time over. Then this opening, fold it. Don't be afraid to fold it. Don't do small folding, because it may be loosened when it is in the when it is cooking. Then we have this opening. This will help you in case you run out of foil container, or you see, there is it. Just put it in and you fold it over. Another method is, if you are used to using leaves for your Moin-Moin, all you need to do is just look for a cone shape like this, fold it over like that, and that is it. See, cone shape, in, overlapping. There's not going to be any leak. There's not going to be any leak. The back sealed. Then what you do, the bottom part, just fold it over, and it will give you the shape of a leaf. You put it in, fold it over, and that is it. I will do it one more time and move on. And here, fold over like a triangle. We are looking for a cone shape, because this, when you do it like this will now overlap this over. Like this, and you fold it over in so much. See, this is what you are looking for, the cone shape. Then you do it like the leaves. This is what you are looking for. Let's start. Then the batter, I will pour it into it, not too much. You see, then the egg, I should have boiled more egg, but don't worry, it's still very nice. I hope you can see, like this, just as if you are doing the leaves, and that is it. See the shape of the leaf, it's not going to leak, nothing. Okay, gently put it in. The egg, then you just fold it. I hope you can see it. One fold, second fold. If you still have the space, remember to leave enough space, because when it is cooking, it's going to expand. So that's it. See it? When I'm done, I will show you. I've already put some water in the pot, and I've layered it with foil paper. Then I'll be putting them in one by one, and I'll show you when it is done. It's going to be for like 30 to 35 minutes. Keep on checking, don't leave it unattended to. Now let's check our Moin-Moin. It's cooled down because I don't want to burn my hands. Voila! This is nice. You see? Let's check this one. No more stress. I can't find leaves. Oh, my container, my foil container is finished, and we have been advised not to use plastics, whether plastic bags, because of cancer. So this is a very good option. Look at this. Very nice. Don't forget we made this from lentil. The fish mixed with the fish mixed with the corned beef. This is so wonderful. I'm so happy. You see, when it comes to cooking, we just keep on exploring. We explore today with lentils, and we know we can use it to do Moin-Moin, and it's so nice. and you will discover. We also discover that you can use foil, normal foil paper, to be a wrap, to use as a wrap for it, and you're going to enjoy it, because the more you explore, the more you discover, and the more you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a like, share with your friends and families, leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos, and this will also help this wonderful family to grow. Until next time, bye.